Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about models. Models are a type of auxiliary verbs. Okay, models are a type of auxiliary verbs. ठीक है. Auxiliary verbs are also called as helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are also called as helping verbs. So there are two types of auxiliary verb. One is non-modal auxiliary verb and the another is modal auxiliary verb. जो modal auxiliary verb है that is only modals our. Okay. So here modal auxiliary verb we are going to study, that is our modals. So what are modal auxiliary verbs? Modal auxiliary verbs help the main verb in conveying the speaker's speculations, necessity, willingness, etc. through words like will, can, may, must, ought to, should, and others. This can also be used as helping verbs and not as main verbs, even as non-modal, even not as main verb, even as non-modal auxiliary verbs like do, have, and forms of be can be used at the main verb in certain sentences. Okay. So what are non-modal auxiliary verbs? Modal auxiliary verbs helps the main verb. Okay, we know it is a helping verb, so there will always be a main verb. Okay, it helps the main verb in conveying the, it shows speculations, संभावना, necessity, ज़रूरत, willingness, इच्छा, etc. ये help करते हैं. ये models क्या करते हैं? Help करते हैं main verb को ये सब express करने में. ठीक है. Or models could be will, can, may, ought to, should, and others. This can be the models or helping verbs. This can only be used as helping verbs. So this will, can, may models can be used as helping verb and they cannot be used as main verb. We can use models as helping verb where we cannot use models as main verb. Okay. हेल्पिंग वर्ब वी कैन, मॉडल्स को हम एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ कर सकते हैं बट एज मेन वर्ब नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. ठीक है, मेन वर्ब हम उसको नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. सो as I have told you, there are two types of auxiliary verb, non-modal and auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verb. Non-modal auxiliary verb क्या होते हैं? तीन होते हैं. Non-modal auxiliary verb, there are only three non-modal auxiliary verb: do, have and different forms of be. So ये होते हैं हमारे non-modal auxiliary verb. So sometimes in some sentences you will see that this do, have and be becomes the main verb. These do, have and be sometimes becomes the main verb. In that case also our models help them in expressing their meanings. For example, we'll see various examples over there. I may not be able to see you today. Okay, I may not be able to see you today. What is the model over here? May. And able or see is our verb, main verb. I can use this software with ease. Now again our model is can and use is our helping verb. She will be meeting the manager for the first time. So again will is our model and meeting will be our main verb. Okay. So here are some examples of model auxiliary verbs are used with the base form of the main verb or the bare infinitive. Okay, so models are always used with the base form of the verb, main form of the verb you can say. जो main form होता है, first form, second form, first form जो होता है second third form के साथ नहीं use किया जाता है model. Second form क्या होता है? Past tense और या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट फॉर्म और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म के साथ नहीं यूज़ होता है, प्रेजेंट फॉर्म के साथ यूज़ होता है मॉडल. ही शुड से समथिंग. So should is our model and say is our main verb. Okay, Sharmila used to shop a lot. Again use is our model and shop is our main verb. Will they meet up tomorrow? Okay, will is our model and meet will be our main verb. I will not go to the parking. Again will is our model and go is our main verb. Always remember the structure of a sentence using a model auxiliary is as follows. Affirmative sentence, subject plus model plus. Okay, here basically So different types of sentences where models are being used, their pattern has been given or the formula structure has been given, then if in these kind of sentences model has been is being used, then how it will be used. Okay, for example, in affirmative sentence, subject plus model auxiliary plus bare infinitive. In interrogative sentence, model auxiliary plus subject plus bare infinitive. WH questions, WH word plus model auxiliary plus subject plus bare infinitive. And negative sentence, model auxiliary plus not plus bare infinitive. Okay, so I hope you all are able to understand different models and what do they mean. Thank you, have a nice day.